Looking to troubleshoot car issues on your own? How does the OBD2 scanner code reader make it easier to understand and fix engine codes? Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for car owners and DIY mechanics. ANCEL FX2000 Transmission Automotive Code Reader. If you're tired of paying for costly diagnostics, this compact tool is about to change the game for you. Let's talk about OBD. Onboard Diagnostics is an automotive electronic system which is capable of a self-diagnosis, indicating and reporting the possible problem within the vehicle. It gives you or the technician the opportunity to easily access the information about the health of your car and solve the problem. Let's break down some of its main features. It has a 4.0 TFT True Color LCD display for clear test results and easy-to-read user interface design. It features a strong hand grip with a durable handheld design. Also, it comes with an anti-slip, shock-proof TPU Protectio case and diagnose all the OBD2 issues like a professional. Reads and clears codes. This scanner doesn't just read codes, it allows you to clear them too. You'll get real-time data, including vehicle speed, engine RPM, fuel system status, and more. Annual Smog Check. It tests the oxygen, CO2 sensors to identify problems related to fuel efficiency and vehicle emissions. ABS System Check. The FX2000 can read and clear the diagnostic trouble codes DTC data stream transmitted from the ABS. It can verify the operating conditions of the ABS through a series of bidirectional tests and turn off the warning light. Check Engine Diagnosis. Reads and checks diagnostic trouble codes that triggers the check engine light. SRS System Check. With the FX2000's advanced SRS system diagnostic function, you can quickly and easily identify potential safety hazards and take action to address them before they become more serious. Live Data Check. Live Data menu lets you view, record, and playback real-time PID data from the electronic control module. Wide compatibility. The ANCEL FX2000 is compatible with over 60 different car makes and more than 10,000 vehicle types, including most US vehicles from 1996 onwards, most EU vehicles from 2002 onwards, and most Asian vehicles from 2008 onwards. The FX2000 supports the languages English, French, Spanish, German, Russian, Italian, Polish, and Portuguese, so it is versatile and easy to use no matter where you are in the world. EVAP System Test. The FX2000 OBD2 scanner comes equipped with a powerful EVAP system test function, which can help diagnose and troubleshoot problems in your vehicle's fuel system. Transmission Diagnostics. The FX2000 OBD2 scanner is equipped with an advanced transmission system diagnostic function that can help you quickly and accurately diagnose transmission problems in your vehicle. Why you need the OBD2 code reader. Through OBD2, you can quickly scan and clear engine fault codes, fix the problem with your car, and turn off check engine light with ease. Check your car health condition frequently with the scanner to avoid breakdown in sudden on-road. Enjoy your journey. I/M Readiness Monitoring Emission Control Systems perform regular checks during vehicle operation and store diagnostic trouble codes when issues are detected. Quickly get the fault code's definition. No Google search. Quick emission inspections. Get ready for the annual smog check. View real-time data with engine on. About the code reader. OBD16 connector, DTC button, LCD memory card slot, USB port, up, down, left, right, OK button, ESC button. Let's see where is data link connector is located. The data link connector is a 16-cavity port for connecting diagnostic tools to the vehicle's computer. Typically found within 12 inches of the dashboard center on the driver's side, some models may have it behind the ashtray or labeled elsewhere. How to use the code reader. Ensure the vehicle is turned off before starting. Locate the OBD2 port. This is typically found under the dashboard near the driver's seat, often below the steering wheel or near the footwell. The port is usually a 16-pin connector. Plug the code reader's cable into the OBD2 port. The scanner will power up once connected. Turn the key to the on position. The code reader should power up once plugged in. Follow the prompts on the scanner's screen, which may involve pressing buttons like Enter or OK. You can select your car model individually. Then, the device will start scanning your vehicle. After the scanning process, select Read Codes to read the retrieved code, which will also tell you your car's problem. Each code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. After you've noted the codes, you can use the Clear Codes function on most code readers to reset the vehicle's engine control unit and turn off the check engine light. After finishing, turn off the vehicle, unplug the code reader from the OBD2 port, and turn off the reader. If you are interested in picking up the ANCEL FX2000 Transmission Automotive Code Reader, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon.
Compatibility with your vehicle model before purchasing. It supports 9 protocols compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based and Asian cars, light trucks, SUVs, as well as newer OBD2 and CAN vehicles, both domestic and foreign. It can also be used for some motorcycle OBD2 system diagnosis.
What is freeze frame data? In simple words, when a vehicle's computer detects a fault and triggers the check engine light, it records freeze frame data. This data is a snapshot of various sensors and components to help identify the problem's cause. In some cases, it's required by law to store emission-related details. Viewing OBD2 freeze frame data. What is IM readiness? Zero to sensor test. Onboard monitor test. EVAP system test. Data stream. Register and update. You need a computer that can access the internet. There are 2 methods available, via memory card or USB cable. Go to http://www.anceldirect.com and click Download Arrow FX2000. Then click the updating icon. Select language, and after the serial number is entered, click Device Update and enter the following information. When the tool has powered up, place the cursor on the Help icon and press the Help button. Select Tool Information and press OK. This is the register code number for inputting. Install the memory card. Reopen the FX2000 Update Suite and select the updates you would like to perform. Or click Select All and click Download. Once all steps are complete, The memory card is reinserted into the tool and power the tool via USB in the computer or the OBD2 port in a vehicle. View vehicle information.
A unique set of 17 numbers and letters. Your VIN holds all kinds of information about your car.
View life data. Live data gives you real-time feedback on some of the functions of your car. These include fuel trim and operating temperature values. This is one of the most useful features of OBD2 scanners. Language. Use the up-down scroll buttons to select the language. Unit of measure. Choose the unit of measure. Specifications.
Onboard diagnostic trouble codes. This list contains standard diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that are used by some manufacturers to identify vehicle problems. Diagnostic trouble codes are how OBD2 identifies and communicates to technicians where and what onboard problems exist. The first number in the DTC indicates whether the code is an SAE generic code, applies to all OBD2 systems, or is specific to the vehicle manufacturer. The remaining three numbers provide information regarding the specific vehicle system and circuit. Now, we've covered some of the diagnostic trouble codes you might encounter with the Motopower MP69033 OBD2 scanner. This tool makes it easy to get insights into your car's performance, diagnose issues quickly, and even save on repair costs. The codes provide this list are generic codes that may not apply to all vehicles. Vehicle manufacturers may use manufacturer-specific DTC codes that are different from the shown codes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos on car diagnostics and maintenance. Thanks for watching.